there's this research and a survey from those 70s, 80s or retirees that they wish to advise the 50s, like the younger generation, to start saving up from when they reach, so that when they reach the age of 40s plus 50s, they will have to have a multiple income, just so they can have more time. Apparently they said that when we were young, we have so much time, we have so much energy, but we don't have money. But as we go to 30s, we started to have and we started to work, we started to have the money, the health, but the time is reducing because we spend most of our time working. And when we reach 50s, it gets, the health started to decline, chronic diseases, stress, and so many diseases that sometimes you have to go to the hospital or take medication for it. So our time gets reduced, plus the work, and although the money is increasing. So the issue, they say that the issue is, as we go older, or like as we age 50 plus, our health started to decline. And when we retire at say 60, 65, we sometimes if you look after your health, of course you have longer lifespan. But if you don't have the savings, and you have multiple chronic diseases, stresses, then our health and the time declines. So to be able, they suggested that to be able to get a balance, the challenge is to have a balance, so that when we reach the age of 50s and above, that we can balance the time, our health, and our money. Meaning you have multiple income streams. Say you have a savings account, you have an investment, you have a house, and other investments, so that even if you have health issue and you have to be in the hospital, you will be covered. You don't have to worry about going to work fast because you don't have the income to sustain. So for the young ones out there, once you start to have a job, spend, just make a plan of how much to spend. Say 30% of your income goes to savings, something like that. You make your own plan, what works for you, because the challenge, you have to balance the challenge to be able to maintain a good lifespan and a good life, and enjoy your life as you retire. Maintain that you have the money, you have the health, and you still have time to enjoy what you've worked on for a long time. So it's best to make a budget that works for you, whatever it is, the percentage, like 40%, for example, 40% goes to your bills, 20% goes to your savings, and then 20% goes to pleasure, travel, holiday, clothes, and the rest of it goes to your emergency fund, or whatever works for you, so that when you reach age 50, you will have the time to enjoy. You still have the energy, or the health, you have the money, and you still have the health and the time that you need to be able to enjoy life. So have a good health and wellness, everyone. Stay safe, and bye for now.